Hello everybody, so I'm gonna teach you how to use ChatGPT without phone number. So when you try to sign up GPT, they're gonna ask you to verify your phone number. But what do you do when you don't have a phone number? So here, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. But first, the number one I recommend is that get one of those prepaid SIM card in your local shops. Just like this. You can activate it and use it to verify ChatGPT. Now, if you don't have access to go and buy a local SIM card or you can't activate one, now I'm gonna show you how to get a online number. So here, as you can see, just type the free online temporary phone number. So just click the whenever what you want. So I'm gonna click the first one. So here, so you can see, there's so many, right? Many temporary number that you can have. As you can see here, I'm going to pick the Philippines because I live here in the Philippines. So we're gonna try one. Just pick one and then you're gonna proceed in this home page. This number is just like a normal number. You can copy this and then as you can see here, just scroll down and then you're gonna see these verifications and services. Now all of these free numbers, they're gonna verify someone's account. Now if you don't wanna rely on these numbers, I'm gonna show you the other way to trust the number. Just go back to the Google and then type the paid online temporary number. And this is more reliable. So as you can see here, you're gonna see the SMS online from 5%. So you're gonna go in the website, you're gonna receive SMS online for a private number. So you can use that private number to verify your ChatGPT. And remember, ChatGPT can reliable in any different ways. So if this video helped you, just don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Peace out.